How to fix your MetaTrader application not working properly. So if you're facing such issue where you are trying to open a account or register your account, or just in basic open your application, and you're facing many different types of compilation error or your application runtime error, then in that case what you can do is, first thing, just make sure you have successfully connected to the correct Wi-Fi or the strong Wi-Fi. Make sure you check your internet connection, and if it's faulty internet, just change your internet or reset your router once in a time. So once you do that, the second thing what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down until you see the application option. Just tap on it just like this, and from here you have to find the MetaTrader application. So let me just find it, and once you locate your MetaTrader application, scroll down on the storage option just like this, and click on the clear cache button over here and clear the data just like this, and you may have to re-enter your login credentials on your MetaTrader application, and it should work correctly. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.